Hey everyone, welcome back to Step in Wonders. Today I'm taking you to one of the most underrated places in Iran, Manjil, the windy city. Let's go explore its roads, skies, mountains, and a massive dam with some serious views. So this is the entrance to Manjil. Right away you can feel the openness, the sky, the road. There is something peaceful about this place. These wind turbines are kinda iconic here. Manjil is famous for its strong wind, so they've turned that into clean energy. Plus, look at this sky. From up here, the whole city looks like a painting. It's small, quiet, and surrounded by nature on every side. Okay, now this is Sefid Rud Dam. It's massive and honestly kind of beautiful. It's not just an engineering thing. It blends with the mountains and the light so well. This part blew my mind. The way the sunlight hits the clouds, everything looks like a dream. You don't need filters here. We kept driving, and suddenly, boom, this tunnel opens up into more nature. Gilan has so many hidden corners like this. So that was Manjil, calm, powerful, full of wind and wonder. I feel like I'll definitely come back, especially in spring or autumn. Thanks for joining me on this mini trip to Manjil. If you enjoy it, hit that like button and subscribe for more peaceful travel stories around Iran.